Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT. In this video, I will tell you how to configure this 32B relay controller, the Wi-Fi SSID and the password. There are 2 points, Ethernet and the Wi-Fi. If you use Ethernet, you just connect the Ethernet cable. Not need to configure the Wi-Fi. You can skip this video. If you use the Wi-Fi, so let's begin how to configure it. The first, we can power on the power supply. Then you can see this red LED will be on. This is power LED. And we need to reset the Wi-Fi. Use this button, the first button, reset. Hold the button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then remove the hand and restart the power. Now the controller is begin work with the AP mode. We can use the compute. When we use the compute, we can double click. This is the Wi-Fi list. We can find this LPT230. This is our controller Wi-Fi signal. So we connect with this Wi-Fi signal. Okay, when we connect, then we open the browser. Just input this address. This address is fixed by the Wi-Fi, and the username and the password is admin. Login. You can choose the English. Then we can choose the work mode. The work mode now is default is AP. We can change to the station. STA is station. Save. And back. Then we can configure the SSID and the password. We can scan. This will list all your scanned Wi-Fi signal. Okay, we can see this is our Wi-Fi signal. This is our root SSID. You just choose your root SSID. We press OK, and need to input the password. So just input your root password. When we save. Okay, back. The other setting we change to UDP. This UDP we have tell you this is connect to our cloud server, and the port is 5555, and the server, our cloud server, is this IP. This is fixed and not to changed. This is our cloud server, and we press save button. Then we press the restart. Okay, the Wi-Fi module will be restart. Now we can use the controller repower on. When repower on, we can see this is power on, and the green LED is on. The green LED means the Wi-Fi is connected to your root successfully. And also you can see this LED is blue. The blue means the UDP, means it have connected to our cloud server. Just this step, you have configured the SSID and the password of your root for the controller. In next video, we will begin to use this relay box by your mobile phone. Thanks for watching.